We're going to be doing a Black Friday giveaway week. What is up, guys? Astroice Jewelry back again in the building for another video for you guys, man. And today, man, we have a lot of huge announcements to tell you guys. As you guys know, Black Friday and Cyber Monday are right around the corner. And in this video, we're going to be telling you all the crazy deals we're going to have. We're going to be talking to you about our brand new website that's coming up very, very soon. Our women's collection, our brand new women's collection. Now you can get your lady right, or if you're a lady, now you can get right at Astroice Jewelry. Our bundles collection that's coming up very, very soon. So we're going to be putting bundles together to give you guys better deals on our jewelry. But guys, we have a lot of huge announcements to talk to you guys about in this video, man. Astroice Jewelry, you guys already know where you're at, man. The best and highest quality jewelry in the game, man. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Talk about our Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals and what we have coming up, our huge announcements, and you guys are going to want to stay tuned for this video. All right, guys, so for the first announcement, we're going to be doing 50% off our entire website. Yes, you guys heard that correctly. 50% off our entire website. Man, if you guys miss out on this, I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't think we've ever done anything this crazy before. It's going to be 50% off on everything on the entire website. And as you guys see, man, we have a lot of new stuff on the website. This is one of them right here. You guys are going to want to stay tuned for this, man. We're going to have stuff for the ladies, stuff for the gentlemen, stuff for everybody, man, to get iced up, man. You guys already know Astroice Jewelry in the building. That's what we do, man. We ice everybody up. And guys, we're going to be having this sale the whole week of Black Friday and the whole week of Cyber Monday. So you guys are going to have plenty of time to be able to catch these deals. This is one of the craziest things that we've done, man, and we want everybody to take advantage. 50% off. If you guys been trying to get iced out, now is your time, man. Look at this, man. The best quality jewelry in the game, as you guys can see right there, man. Look at the watch. I'm iced up on the wrist and everything, man. As you guys can see, look at this beautiful quality jewelry, and we got it in yellow gold, rose gold, white gold, everything you guys need, man. You guys know Astroice Jewelry got it, man. And letting you guys know, for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, all the orders we receive will be shipped express. Everything will be shipped express. If you pick free shipping or express shipping, we're going to be shipping all of our orders with express shipping. All right, guys, so for our new merchandise, as we hinted before, we have a brand new women's collection. Everything you guys need to get that special lady in your life right, man. And for you ladies out there, man, we have a beautiful women's collection. You guys should definitely go ahead and check it out. A lot of amazing pieces. And for our Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, everything is going to be 50% off. So you definitely want to go ahead and check that out. We have a brand new bundles collection. The bundles collection is going to give you guys an even better deal than we're already going to have, man. So you guys are going to get the best of the best deals right there with chains and bracelet sets and pendant sets. And guys, we have a lot of new things coming. We have a newly designed website with a lot more collections, way more pictures. Very, very beautiful, man. This website, as you guys are going to see when you click the link in the bio, is a very easy to use website, man, with a lot of beautiful pictures. The pictures have been updated, as you guys can see too, and we're going to be doing a lot of more work to that website, so stay tuned, man, and we're going to have a lot of new stuff on there. All right, guys, and for the next big announcement, man, which I'm very, very happy to do. So for our next big announcement, we're going to be doing a Black Friday giveaway week. So basically what this is going to be, I'm going to be uploading a video every day for the week of Black Friday, and in every one of those videos, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in every video. So it's going to be from the 23rd to the 27th, and each of those videos we're going to have a giveaway. So if you guys ever wanted to win something, now is your best chance to go ahead and win something. So what we're going to be doing is announcing the giveaway on our YouTube channel and announcing the giveaway winner on our Instagram at Astroice_jewelry. So you want to stay updated on our YouTube and our Instagram to see what the giveaway is and to see if you won or not. So guys, for our Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, you guys really want to be updated. We're going to be making a video every day to update you guys on all the hottest deals, on everything that you guys need to take action on. We will be doing a lot of giveaways, man. We always like to show love back, as you guys know, man. Look at the beautiful custom packaging right here, man, as you guys can see. Look at our beautiful packaging as we showed in our last video. Let's see what's in here, man. I don't even know what's in here. Let me check what's inside here. Okay. A little yellow gold 19mm cubic link bracelet, man. But as you guys can see, man, the best and highest quality in the game, as you guys already know. All right, guys, so stay updated, man. Please don't miss out on our Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. We're going to be uploading a lot of videos this week, so please stay updated to our YouTube and our Instagram. If you guys are thinking about buying something and you want some pictures or whatever you guys want, feel free to email us at astroicejewelry@gmail.com or on Instagram at astroice_jewelry, and we'll go ahead, man, and respond to you guys and let you guys know whatever information you guys need to know. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.